Bonjour. Today we are doing lesson number 9 in Mo Passport part 4, and the name of the lesson is Projet de vacances. It means plans for future. Now let's start. Philippe, cette année, je ne pars pas en vacances, mais mon correspondant indien va venir passer quelques jours chez moi. Philippe says, cette année, this year, je ne pars pas. Par is partir verb and ne pas is negative. I am not leaving for vacations, but means but mon correspondant, my pen friend, Anjia Indian, my Indian pen friend, will come spend, passer spend quelques jours, some days at my place. Je viens de l'inviter. I have just invited him. Je viens de l'inviter. It's passé récent tense. We will learn how to do passé récent. Nous allons visiter ensemble Paris. We will visit together Paris. We will visit Paris together. Rouen, Rennes, et Strasbourg. So we will visit Paris, Rouen, Rennes, and Strasbourg together. Ensemble means together. Céline, cette année, je vais partir avec ma famille chez mes grands-parents en Suisse parce que nous venons de passer des vacances de Pâques en Italie. This year, I will live with my family chez mes grands-parents at my grandparents' place en Suisse in Switzerland. Parce que because nous venons de passer, we have spent the vacations of Pâques Easter vacations in Italy. Mes grands-parents sont vieux, my grandparents are old, et ils nous attendent toutes les années. He wait for us. Attendre it's attendre verb and which means wait for. He wait for us, toutes les années, whole years. Elena, les vacances, je les attends depuis longtemps. Vacations, I'm waiting for them since long. Depuis since longtemps is long time. Long, attends, again wait for. Les is for them. On vient de passer les examens et on a vraiment besoin de vacances. We have just done with our exams and we really need, avoir besoin is an expression of avoir, which means need, and we really need vacations. Je vais aller en Espagne avec mes amis. I will go to Spain with my friends. Nous allons rester 2 semaines en soleil. Nous allons rester, we will stay for 2 weeks in sun. Louis, pour moi, les vacances, c'est le moment de rencontrer la famille. For me, vacations are the moment to meet family. Ma famille habite au Canada. My family lives in Canada. Habite is habiter verb. Donc, hence, on ne peut pas se voir le weekend. We cannot meet each other during the weekend. Peut is pouvoir verb. A savoir means to meet each other. Je viens d'écrire à mes parents. I have just written. Écrire is written. Sorry, to write. And it's past tense, so we will translate it as I have just written to my parents. Ils vont être très contents de me voir. They will be very happy to see me. Mais avant de partir, je vais acheter les cadeaux pour ma soeur, mes cousins et mes parents. But before leaving, avant de partir, before leaving, I will buy gifts for my sister, my cousins, and my parents. Stéphane, pendant les vacances, during the vacations, j'ai besoin de gagner un peu d'argent. J'ai besoin, again, it's an expression of avoir. I need to earn little money. Alors, je vais travailler dans un supermarché. So, alors means so or hence. Je vais travailler, I will work in a supermarket. Je vais faire des économies pour voyager en Asie l'année prochaine. Je vais faire des économies. I will save some money for travel to Asia. L'année prochaine means next year. Priya. Cette année, je vais faire un échange en France. This year, I will join an exchange program in France avec mes camarades, with my classmates. Nous allons visiter Paris et la Normandie. We will visit Paris and Normandie. Nous allons rester dans les familles d'accueil et nous allons suivre les cours de français à l'Alliance française. We will stay in the famille d'accueil means with the host families. Et nous allons suivre, we will attend French class at Alliance Française. Allons suivre, suivre is follow, attend. Cours means class, so we will attend French class. Okay, next. Répondez. Qu'est-ce que Philippe va faire pendant les vacances? What will Philippe do during his vacations? So, Philippe, okay, his Indian pen friend is coming to spend some days at his place. So, let's copy a little bit from here and then we will add it. Son correspondant indien va venir passer quelques jours. Quelques jours. It could be chez lui or it could, you can remove it. Quelques jours. Euh, nous allons visiter ensemble Paris, Normandie and all that. Mhm. Ils vont visiter, they will visit together. Okay? Ou Céline vient-elle de passer ses vacances à Pâques? Where did she spend her vacations of Easter? Nous venons de passer des vacances à Pâques en Italie. So, elle va, sorry, she has just spent. Elle vient euh, de passer des vacances à Pâques en Italie. Pourquoi lui ne peut-il pas rencontrer sa famille le week-end? Why does he not meet? Why can he not meet his family during the weekend? Parce que sa famille habite au Canada. Complétez avec un mot du texte. Je vais écrire une lettre à mon correspondant. We cannot write here sir or famille because sir is feminine, famille is feminine, correspondant is masculine, and mot is also used for masculine noun. Aujourd'hui, il fait du soleil. Today it is sunny. Mes amis ont apporté des dash à mon anniversaire. Des cadeaux. My friends bought gifts at my birthday party. Mhm. Just a second. Nous allons partir en France. How can we write? Why can we not write visiter here? Because visiter is never followed by any preposition. There is preposition in this sentence, so we cannot write visiter. Partir verb will be used. Trouver dans le texte le contraire de mécontent. Contraire of mécontent is content. Arriver, partir, to arrive, to leave. Seul alone, ensemble. Ok, now mettez les phrases au futur proche. Future proche. How do we do future proche? Future proche is basically a type of future tense where we use aller verb in present tense. Aller in present plus infinitive form of the verb. For example, if you look for the conjugation of aller, I will write je vais, tu vas, il va or elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont. All right. After the conjugation of aller verb, we will write the infinitive form of the main verb. Let's say the verb is visiter. Okay. Nous allons visiter. Vous allez visiter. We can also take a different verb. Ils vont arriver. They will arrive. Or they are going to arrive. Je vais parler. I will speak or I'm going to speak. To faire, you are going to do or you will do. Il va peut-être another verb. Aller, okay, venir verb. This is how we conjugate future proche. Now, quickly we will do passé récent as well because passé récent is also a part of this chapter. Okay. So for passé récent, sentence structure is subject plus venir verb conjugate in present tense, then the preposition, then infinitive form of the verb. Okay, so let's see the example. Je viens. I said the will come after that and then infinitive form. Je viens de manger. I have just eaten. Tu viens de. Let's take a word with the vowel. D'écrire. DE will become D apostrophe before a vowel. Il vient de any other verb. Il vient de faire. Nous venons de parler. Vous venez de d'acheter, maybe. Il or elle vont, viennent de écouter. This is how we conjugate passive. Okay, now let's do the exercises. Nitele phrase ou future proche. Okay, so I'm just highlighting the verb and then writing the answers. Okay, telephone is the verb here, and li is the verb here, lead verb. Sabie is the verb here. Malev means malave verb. Pahle verb. Okay. Okay, so Pierre va faire. It's faire verb. Venez de, sorry, it's future proche. Vous allez téléphoner. Sorry, tu vas lire. You're going to read the paper. Okay. Tu vas lire. Il s'habiller verb. Il va s'habiller. Je me lève. Je vais me lever. Elle ne parle pas. Elle ne va. Okay, it's negative, so ne va pas parler. Elle ne va pas parler. Now correct the mistake. Je vais, je vais me lever. Here the mistake is va because the conjugation for je is vais. So correct answer is je vais me lever. Tu te vas coucher. Here the problem is this place of this te and va. Va will come before te. So tu vas te coucher. Tu vas te coucher. Ils ne viennent de pas sortir. Uh, the place is the problem. Il ne vient pas de sortir. Ils ne viennent pas de sortir. Ok. Nous venons arriver. Nous venons. Ok. Nous venons d'arriver. D apostrophe will come. Okay, nous allons promener. Again, the place is the problem. Ale will come before and nous will come after that. So, nous allons nous promener. Tu te viens de laver. Again, the problem is the place. So answer would be tu viens de te laver. Elle ne vient de dormir pas. Again, the problem is place. Pas will come after vient. Elle ne vient pas de dormir. Elle ne vient pas de dormir. Nous allons de sortir. The you have to skip. So nous allons sortir because venir is followed by the preposition. Notale. Okay. Tu vas prendre du café. Tu with tu, the conjugation is aller. Verb का conjugation है tu vas. Va is the correct conjugation for to. Nous vienno de manger. Correction is conjugation. It's never vienno, it's vano. For nous, vous, I will be removed. Répondez en utilisant la passé récent. Okay. Est-ce que tu regardes un film? Do you watch a movie? No. Non, je ne viens pas de regarder de film. I will change to the. Have you watched a movie? Okay, do you watch a movie? No, I have not watched any movie. Est-ce que vous répondez à ces questions? Non, nous ne venons pas de répondre. The verb is répondre. À cette question. Next is est-ce que Louis fait son travail? Est-ce que Louis fait son travail? Does Louis make his work? No. Okay. No, Louis mm, ne vient pas de faire son travail. Okay. Next is est-ce que les étudiants écoutent des disques? Non, les étudiants ne viennent pas d'écouter. Okay, this they will become the, I forgot it's in negative form. Est-ce que ils vont sa voiture? Is he selling his car? Non, il vient. No. Oh, okay. I think we don't need to change it to negative. Non, je viens de regarder la film. Yeah. Because the question is, are you watching a movie? No, I have just watched a movie, right? Je viens de regarder. Okay, that would be the correct answer. A film. Then the will become a. No, I have just watched a movie. Do you answer? Are you answering to this question? No, we have just answered to this question. No, nous venons de répondre à cette question. Is Louis finishing his work? No, Louis has just finished his work. Are the students listening to the CDs? No, they have just listened to the CDs. That would be the correct answer. Uh, Est-ce qu'ils vont savoir que they are selling his car? He's selling his car. No, il vient de vendre sa voiture. No, he has just sold his car. Est-ce qu'elle embrasse ses amis? Does she hug her friend? No, elle vient d'embrasser ses amis. Okay, she has just hugged her friends. Est-ce que les étudiants vont en France? Are students going to France? No, sorry, it would be les étudiants only. Les étudiants, étudiantes viennent d'aller en France. No, they have just gone to France. So here the chapter is done. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.